it's Riri. I just received a package from Ladybug Glow. I want to open it with you guys and swatch the palette and stuff like that. I recently received one of their new palettes. They've kind of just rebranded and relaunched the brand. But I did receive one of their palettes in my Ice Cream Beauty box. And they reached out to me and they were like, hey, can we send you our other new palette? And of course, I love the other one so much, and I loved previous Ladybug Glow, so I said yes. I do already have makeup on right now, but I did at least want to showcase this for you guys, do some in-depth swatches and stuff like that, and then of course, I'll come back and do a look. And then this video right here should already be up for you guys. If it is, I'll pop it right here for you guys, but it is a mix of a couple of different palettes. This is the FLORESTA INVERNO palette. It's so dang pretty. I love the direction that they're kind of going now. Not that they weren't beautiful in the past, but I love the direction that they're going in now. We have a beautiful kind of moody color story. It kind of reminds me of the look that I have today in terms of like I could have used this to create this. Let me take the little covers off. And I am a fan, I have said it a million times, purple with brown eyes, you guys, even with green eyes. Purple with brown eyes is just an exquisite combo, you guys. But here is the palette. These are what I like to call moody palettes. So I'm already drawn to, obviously, this color story. I did find that with the other palette that I recently tried, that it was nicely pigmented. The mattes and stuff like that were really smooth. The shimmers packed a punch. I really had a good time with that. And in saying all of that, she did also give me a discount code. So if you guys do shop from Ladybug Glow, you can use code RIRI10 to save 10% on all your purchases. I do earn a small commission. Thank you in advance if you do choose to use my code. These feel the exact same way as the previous palette. Very smooth. A very soft kind of silky, oh my word, silky to the touch matte formula. I am seeing fuchsia, bright pink, aqua, blue, purple. That is incredibly beautiful. Definitely giving like mermaid vibes. Yeah, this feels exactly the same as that did. And I'm not always a fan of marble shades, but I think that these are well done because I can very clearly see like the gradient in there. And I do like the fact that however you wear it, it's going to kind of shift differently and look differently, kind of however you place it, wherever you kind of stick your finger in or your brush in. So I'll get up close one more quick time for you guys. Yeah, I'm drawn to this. Like I said, I could have created this exact style of look with this. And I like that the focus here is pretty much, it's on the mattes, which I'm fine with. I do like that we have a blending out shade. You guys know that's incredibly important to me. I think everything cohesively works well together. You could go in with any mix and match of the shimmers to the mattes, and it's gonna work out for you. I want to do quickly the shimmers together, just to kind of show those for y'all. Yeah, that one, wow. I mean, they're all beautiful, but that one is really calling my name, y'all. And these feel quite smooth and silky upon application or upon swatch. I'm gonna kind of build the swatches up and go into like a different area of the shade just to kind of see how different it looks, because like I said, depending upon how much you pick up and where in the pan you pick up is going to kind of determine, you know, the shade variation that you're gonna pick up. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. So I know this is short and sweet. I did just want to showcase the palette. I wanted to say thank you to Ladybug Glow as well. Just kind of show you what it looks like, show you the overall color story, give some swatches and stuff like that, just so you can have an idea of the layout, the color story, level of pigmentation, things like that. Like I said, I received the other one, the Grunge Resolution palette, and I really loved it. I think it was a beautiful formula, and I feel the same way about this one. Again, let me know if you guys would like to see a look. I can even maybe come back and do it as like a shorts video or something like that for you guys. And I don't normally put up like super short videos for you guys, so I do apologize for that part of it, but I was filming and wrapped up and I was like, oh, I just received this. Let me also just kind of do a little quick something. So yeah, are you intrigued by the brand? Have you purchased from the brand in the past? Do you like this type of color story? I'm curious. I also want to know, what are some of your favorite indie brands? What are some of your favorite eyeshadow palettes from those specific indie brands? Y'all know I'm always on the hunt. I have so many, y'all, I have so many on my wish list. I still want to try Bella Beauté Bar. I still want to try Cryptine Cosmetic. There's so many I want to try. So many. And if I had all the money in the world, I would have every single one of them. But alas, I do not. But I would like to know, I am building like a wish list and stuff like that. So I want to know what your favorites are. Let me know. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. And thank you, of course, to Ladybug Glow. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.